Control and coordination. Introduction. All living organisms are made up of cells. These cells aggregate and differentiate to form tissues. Different tissues form different organs. The various organs perform their functions at the right time so that they can work together efficiently. Our sense organs are gateways for receiving information or stimuli from the environment and help in maintaining a state of stability between the internal conditions of an organism and its external environment. Nervous system. Animals. The organ system in an animal that serves to coordinate and control the functioning of all other organ systems in the body is known as the nervous system. In humans, the nervous system has two main divisions: the central nervous system, CNS, the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system includes the sensory and motor nerves. The organization of nervous system is given here. Structure of neuron. A neuron is the basic unit of nervous tissue. Our nervous system contains about 10 billion nerve cells, which communicate with each other in a specific manner. Each neuron has a central area called the cell body or cyton. The cell body has a large central nucleus and cytoplasm. Several short, thread-like branches called dendrites arise from the cell body. One branch arising out of the cell body is very long in comparison to the others. This branch is called axon or nerve fiber. Axon may or may not be covered by a fatty sheath called myelin sheath. This covering is missing at intervals. These gaps on the sheath are known as nodes of Ranvier. Types of neurons. The three types of neurons are sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons or the connecting neurons. Sensory neurons transmit impulse from receptor or the sense organ to the coordinator, the brain or the spinal cord. Motor neurons transmit impulse from modulator to effectors, muscles or glands. Interneurons or connecting neurons connect sensory and motor neurons found in the gray matter. Reflex arc. A reflex action or reflex is a biological control system linking stimulus to response and mediated by a reflex arc. Reflexes can be built in or learned. Human brain. The human brain is the most complex organ in the body that regulates virtually all human activity. The brain can be divided into three basic units: the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. The forebrain is the main thinking part of the brain. It has regions which receive sensory impulses from various receptors. Separate areas of the forebrain are specialized for hearing, smell, sight, and so on. Involuntary actions are controlled by the midbrain and hindbrain. Midbrain is involved in functions such as vision, hearing, eye movement, and body movement. Hindbrain is responsible for precision of voluntary actions and maintaining the posture and balance of the body. Coordination in plants. Plants show different types of movement, one dependent on growth and the other independent of growth. But plants have neither a nervous system nor muscles. When we touch the leaves of a sensitive plant, the leaves move very quickly in response to touch. There is no growth involved in this movement. When a seed germinates, the root goes down, the stem comes up into the air. The directional movement of seedling is caused by growth. If it is prevented from growing, it will not show any movement. Hormones in animals. Hormonal signaling involves biosynthesis of a particular hormone in a particular tissue, storage and secretion of the hormone, transport of the hormone to the target cells, recognition of the hormone by a cell membrane associated or intercellular receptor protein, relay and amplification of the received hormonal signal via a signal transduction process, degradation of the hormone. Endocrine glands in human beings, male and female. The endocrine system is a control system of ductless glands that secrete chemical messengers called hormones that circulate within the body via the bloodstream to affect distant cells within specific organs. The diagram shows the endocrine glands present in the human body.